Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. So, as you know, we are discussing two nation theory. We already discussed the definition and meaning of the nation. Secondly, concept of two nation theory and Indian Muslim leadership, its background. Today, or in this sitting, we shall discuss two nation theory and national integration, or you can say importance of two nation theory or Pakistan ideology for national integration. As we already discussed in detail, Pakistan society and culture in the beginning. So today I shall revise briefly the Pakistan composition of Pakistan society and culture. As far as you know, so races are concerned, there are four major groups: Dravidians, who are natives and who are living in subcontinent. Second race, they are Aryans. They attacked Dravidians and took the charge or established their governments in subcontinent. It is perceived that Rajputs, Jats, they belong to that stock. So, third, Mongols. So they came and they defeated the Aryans and established their government sometime with the collaboration of the Aryans. Fourth, Arabs. They came through Muhammad bin Qasim and established their government in this area. So we can say there are four major races who are residing in Pakistan or in subcontinent. Now, there are thousands tribes, and you can say caste, subcaste, and they are proud about their caste system as well. You can, as you know, every caste is proud of his caste. So the second, culture. As far as culture is concerned, there is Dravidian culture which prevailing up to now, and most of the people are of the opinion that uh, you can say Achut and others workers who are living there, they belong to mostly to that caste. They have their own culture. Aryans, they have their own cultural basis. Very important aspect of their culture is they are warriors, and during the war, if they were defeated, they were used to kill their women, and their women were used to kill themselves, and they were used to jump in the wells and others. This is a culture of that community, Aryans. So, Mongols, they have their own specific culture. You will find these people mostly in KPK and other places. So their food habits, dress, they are a bit different from others. So, and Semitic culture, who came with Muhammad bin Qasim, Sayyids and others, Arabs, they have their own culture. So these cultures are different, and now after mixing of these, interaction of these new cultures emerged. So there are cultural differences in Pakistan. In case of East Pakistan, their basic food was rice, while in West Pakistan basic food is wheat. So now you see there's a difference between the food habits of the province of Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan and KPK. So the chili, in Punjab there's use of chili, much chili, while in KPK, Balochistan, they rather rarely use the chili. But presently, after a migration process, so the cultures has been mixed up. You will find even old style of burqa and parda. Dress are different in KPK, Balochistan and Sindh and Punjab. Their dress style are different. And in culture you can see in Punjab, people are used to give Jahesh to the daughters, while in areas of KPK, there is nothing like that. Their expenditure of marriage are borne by the family of the male member. So this kind of things are there. There are economic disparities in between provinces. Punjab is a very uh, uh, rather economically strong because this river woven land is very rich in agriculture. This is a food pocket, had been a food pocket of the whole world. Now, still, this is a food pocket of the Pakistan, and provide food to other countries as well. Economic development is different in for the provinces. There are disparities and differences between urban and rural. Difference in dress, diet, and mode of living. So actually, this is a land of heterogeneous people having different political interests and political development, having different level of economic development and economic interest, having different social values and social commitments. So these were discussed in detail when I discussed Pakistan society and culture. So this is a land of heterogeneous people. So how language, they are speaking various languages. Urdu, Punjabi, Pashto, Sindhi, Saraiki, Barabi, many languages, and they are there. So if we will see the various knitting forces are binding element of a nation: language, culture, economic interest, political interest. So those are different in Pakistan. The only thing which is uniting them and can unite them, that is religion, that is Islam. Because irrespective of their color, creed, race, region, religion, province, they all 97% are Muslims, and they believe in one God, Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, Holy Quran, Islamic civilization and culture. So they believe in this. These are knitting forces between them, and it is so for this spirit, and the religion is in there, Islamic religion is in there distinct, and they have a spirit of similarity on the basis of Islam, one brotherhood, and they want to live according to their religion because this is a deen. This is the deen, the religion, the oneness of God. They believe the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, is the last prophet, messenger of God, and they love to Holy Prophet more than anything. Even they love to Holy Prophet more than their children. So this love to Holy Prophet, obedience of God, believe in Quran and Sunnah. So this unites them in a single whole. So this is essential for national integration. This provides ways to unite them. This spirit knitted them in one whole. This cemented them in a single group. And this ideology, you can say, this ideology pushed them or instigated them to establish a new state. This ideology made them a one nation. So this is essential for national integration in Pakistan. So religion, the Islamic State is a religious state of these people. Sovereignty, because all people, they believe in the sovereignty of God. They believe in the sovereignty of God. They believe in the sources of law, Quran and Sunnah and Ijtihad. Because Quran says clearly, وَمَنْ لَمْ يَحْكُمْ بِمَا أَنزَلَ اللَّهُ هُمُ الْكَافِرُونَ, Surah Al-Ma'idah 40-44, in which they are directed कि जो अल्लाह के हुक्म के मुताबिक फैसले नहीं करते वही काफिर हैं, disbelievers. They are disbelievers. And other place they said they are zalim and fasik. So they believe in the Islamic jurisprudence system and they are one on this issue. This can knit them in one nation, and this can rather, and integration in a nation is essential for economic, political and social development, civilization and culture. So education system, so that must be according to our, so that should make the Muslim and Pakistani. So that education system is required here. If that system is promoted and adopted, the Pakistan would be on the track of political, economic and social development. So Muslims have a set of political, economic and social system. So they are united on this. They are united on Islamic political, economic and social system. They want to sacrifice even their lives for that. So this is also, so economic, political and social development if on the basis of Holy Quran and Sunnah, so this would be accepted by the people wholeheartedly. They will follow the laws and this will be proved to be a vehicle of political, economic and social development. This will be proved to be a vehicle of national integration. So life hereafter. So all beliefs in life hereafter. So they will sacrifice their life for an Islamic state for the sake of Allah, because they believe they are sacrificing for the Islam and for the Allah Ta'ala. So this is the source of national integration, which is ideology of Pakistan. So this should be implemented in letter and spirit in Pakistan if we need national integration, which is essential for political, economic and social development, which is essential for the development of the state, which is essential for a strong nation, for strong and committed nation, which is essential for smooth running of the institution. This ideology, the belief in ideology, that ideology gives birth to the political system, and political system gives birth to the constitution, and constitution gives birth to the institution. You can say the ideology is a seed, political system, seed and roots ideology. Political system political system is a roots, and constitution is a stem, and other you can say its leaves and others, they are rather institutions. If the seed is not healthy, the institution will not be healthy. So if the roots are not healthy, so your stem will also be weak. So we have to save it from the various kind of diseases. So Pakistan ideology, two nation theory is only guarantee for successful operation of the state institutions. This is only guarantee which can give a strong political system, and this can guarantee strong, eternal, viable constitution, trusted constitution, and this will guarantee viable, strong, and trusted institutions which are essential for the smooth running of a state, for you can say for smooth rather running of the state. Thank you very much. Inshallah, next series will be started after this. If you have any question, you can ask through the rather through WhatsApp and other devices, whichever you want to use or whichever is available to you. Thank you.